back with another R7 video, and today we're finally going to be installing that damn air filter. So we have a Sprint air filter that we're going to be throwing in, and tomorrow we're finally getting it tuned. I already talked to Chris, everything's good to go, so as long as everything goes smoothly tonight, we'll be getting it tuned tomorrow. So to get the air filter off, we have to take the fuel tank off, which is kind of annoying, but it shouldn't be too bad. I've taken it off before. So we have to take off this side fairing, this fairing piece, the seat, and then we can prop this up. I'm hoping we can prop it up enough where we can get to the air filter without having to actually like disconnect the fuel lines and leave it, because this is extra stuff that I don't want to have to do, but if we have to, obviously I'll do it. So I'm really curious to see how this goes. It shouldn't be too bad of an install. That, and I'll probably clean my chain because it's probably a little due to be cleaned, but I am so excited. I cannot wait, and I am so happy with how this has turned out. The livery, the wrap and everything, and we have the new smoked windscreen. Nate got it, came in, so we'll be able to put that on. I'll probably grab that this weekend, do it during the week. Yeah, let's start stripping this thing down. So to start, we'll take off the seat. So to get the seat off, you gotta take the back seat off. And you will take these. There's supposed to be 2 push pins here, but I lost one, so take this out, and then there's 2 bolts. We'll take the seat off, and then we can get to the rest of the stuff for these side panels. And it's really not that bad. It sounds like a lot, being like having to take the whole tank off and everything, but it's really not that bad. Let's set up the tripod. We'll start taking stuff off. Alright, so we'll start with these 2 little push pins. They just pop in and pop right out. I'll probably clean out my little trunk compartment while I'm at it, because there's some stuff back here. So that just pops right out, and then there's 2, I think they're 5mm hex bolts that take those off, and the seat will pop right off and out. Pop these out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like underneath so you can get a better look. Alright, so next step is we'll take out this 4mm hex bolt, and then there's another one here and a push clip here, and I believe, yeah, there's one back here too. So we'll do that on both sides. Alright, so now we'll take off these front pieces, which is 1 4mm hex and 3 push pins. Same with the other side. Alright, so next step is there is a 4mm hex here, and then same on the other side, and then there is a 12mm bolt in the front. I don't know if you can see that, if it'll focus. Right there. That's 12mm, and then there's the other 4mm on this side. So we'll get those off, and we should be able to prop the tank up a little bit. Hoping it's enough room, because you can see the snorkel right here for the intake, and you can see the filters underneath there, so I don't know, we'll see. My bad, you don't have to remove this. I believe that is just for the that's just for the plastic fairing piece. You have to remove these 2, which are 5mm Allen heads that hold this bracket of the tank to the frame. Alright, so it looks like I'll be able to prop it up enough be able to get to that. So yeah, basically once you remove those bolts and pull out that bolt in the front, you can kind of pick up on the tank and pull it off. And there's 4 screws right here that are Phillips head. So we'll be able to take those off and take this snorkel off. So let's get to it. Alright, so I got the old filter out, and look at how restrictive this thing is. This one compared to the new one, that's OEM, and this is the new one. Bike's finally going to be able to breathe. It's going to be crazy. And then for the snorkel delete, all we got to do is pull... For the snorkel delete, all we got to do is pull this little rubber piece off. It literally just like pushes in. So we'll pop this off and then start assembling everything back together. So the air filter's in, bike runs, everything's good. So now tomorrow I'll take it to the tuner and we'll let him do his work and flash the ECU, but we'll pick this video up tomorrow once I'm on my way. Alright, so we just finished getting the bike tuned. First ride. Woo! Oh my god, yes, he tuned down the engine braking too, so it's so much less. Oh, holy shit. Woo! Holy f***, it runs so much smoother. Oh, I like it. Oh, and it still pops. Oh my god, dude. Did you hear that pop?
God almighty.
No. Dude, it still pops so fucking loud. Oh my god! Woo!
That was a big ass fucking flame, son.
Holy no! No!
That was like to the bolt on your fucking rear swing arm, I swear to God.
Dude, I gotta set the camera up on the fucking rear now.
Holy shit, boy.
Oh, I'm so happy. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We're going to be doing a lot more to this thing soon. We got that windscreen, so that's going to be put on probably tonight. I don't know if I'm going to do a video on it because I already did a video with the other one, and it's a super simple process. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you in the next one.